Welcome to the QTA Tracer system, a system that puts the donor and the patient first by preventing the quality of your biological products, such as blood bags, being compromised. QTA stands for quality, traceability and accessibility, and these are our core values. Our system was inspired by the simple idea to reduce unnecessary waste of life-saving products. It's designed to make it easier to reach standards set by regulatory agencies, so you can focus on what's important. In this series, we'll explain how this system could make a big difference to your practice. The QTA Tracer system is made up of 4 components: the tracer, the web portal, the access point and the check-in node app. However, the key component is the tracer, an incredibly efficient microcomputer which measures different types of data, such as temperature, and then calculates the shelf life of blood donations in real time. It's compliant with regulatory standards and it doesn't rely on mains power, which means it can continue to calculate the quality of blood donations no matter what the circumstances. Alongside this, the web portal is also an integral part of the system as it configures the data from the tracer and it stores a record of this information for as long as you want. One of the main benefits to the QTA Tracer system is the tracer, which has a medical 2A classification because it's a decision-making device. It actually makes a decision about the quality of blood donations. Yes, it does measure all sorts of types of data, but it then compares this data to regulation standards. It will then decide whether it's safe to use, showing a green light if it's okay, or a red light if it's poor quality and doesn't meet regulation standards. It's also waterproof and it measures data in real time, so you can access accurate information at any point. As mentioned before, the QTA Tracer monitors and analyzes data in real time. By having this option, you could move temperature mapping in-house, saving time and money. Just think of the valuable time you could save when you don't have to rely on reports from an external partner. By providing the most accurate information, staff at all levels can make informed decisions, which improves quality assurance and, above all, ensures good practice. The QTA Tracer system was built to be cost efficient. Although it can provide a single way of managing the blood supply cold chain, it can also really easily integrate with your existing systems. It's designed to make your job easier, so you can incorporate as much or as little of the system as you want. From transportation to fridge mapping, you can use our tracers for any of your monitoring needs and any biological products. Just match one of our tracers to a new product and the tracer will do all the work for you. The QTA Tracer system can be as versatile as you need it to be, without sacrificing efficiency. European hospitals are forced to throw away up to 900,000 bags of blood every year, simply because of strict regulation standards. It's also really hard to know how the blood has been handled en route, and therefore whether it's safe to use. However, with the QTA Tracer system, you can remove all of that uncertainty and reduce waste by up to 92%, because this device is designed to constantly analyse data. Blood bags are worth the equivalent of 150 euros, so by reducing your waste, you can ensure the donor's gift isn't wasted whilst being cost positive. To set up the QTA Tracer system, all you have to do is select a product you want to monitor and then scan the barcodes from the tracer and the blood bags into the system. Once the tracer has been paired with a product, it will start measuring the data. And from this point onwards, it's really simple. Let the tracer do all the work for you. The tracer will start analysing data against the regulation standards and decide whether it's safe to use. Just look for the green light and you're good to go. We hope you found this information useful and that now you can see how the QTA Tracer system could make a massive difference to the future of healthcare. This system was developed to help people and to help protect the integrity of life-saving biological products. It's an incredibly sophisticated system, but simple enough that any one of your staff can be part of the decision-making process. It can save time, it can save money, but more importantly, it can save blood and maximise usage. Donors entrust us with their blood donations, And so with this system, we can protect the integrity of the donor's gift in a modern way.